Every slice of prosciutto di Parma begins its journey in the hills of Italy. This is where time and tradition create one of the world's most revered hams. In this Italian facility, thousands of premium hams transform slowly through patience and craftsmanship. The line never truly stops. Every slice of prosciutto di Parma begins its journey in the hills of Italy. This is where time and tradition create one of the world's most revered hams. From fresh pork leg to world-renowned prosciutto di Parma, Kinsudalam, this is the complete journey.
Come on, move! Watch your step. Keep pushing.
Only the finest hind legs from approved Italian pigs enter here. Quality is verified from the very first moment.
Any leg that doesn't meet strict PDO criteria is rejected immediately. Only perfect legs become prosciutto di Parma.
These legs will rest and transform for up to 3 years before they earn the name Prosciutto di Parma. Every cut is deliberate. The distinctive Prosciutto di Parma shape begins here with skilled Italian hands. Weight determines the exact amount of salt needed. Precision at this stage affects the entire aging process. Temperature control here ensures even curing later. This is where science meets centuries-old tradition. Only specific sea salt is used. The right salt is essential for the famous sweet taste of Prosciutto di Parma. This leg has now officially begun its transformation into authentic Prosciutto di Parma.
Salt is the first guardian. It draws out moisture and begins preserving what will become Prosciutto di Parma.
Controlled pressure helps shape the ham and expel excess moisture. During this rest, salt distributes perfectly throughout the leg. Stremple, the foundation of Prosciutto di Parma flavor. The ham is washed to remove excess salt while leaving the cure deep inside. A thin layer of lard protects the exposed muscle while allowing controlled drying. Trained eyes look for any imperfections that could affect the final Prosciutto di Parma. Temperature and humidity are precisely managed as the ham slowly loses weight. In these cellars, time does the real work of creating the signature flavor and texture. Regular turning ensures every ham ages uniformly over the long months. Months pass as enzymes slowly break down proteins and fats into complex flavors. Weight loss can reach 30–40% by the end of the full aging cycle. This traditional step protects the ham while it continues to mature. The master taster uses centuries-old methods to judge when each ham is ready.
Not every ham matures at the same pace. Experience guides each one to perfection.
After months of aging, the ham is now ready for its final presentation. Skilled hands give the ham its final elegant form. Only hams that pass every test receive the famous Prosciutto di Parma crown brand.
Every ham is checked one last time before it can carry the name Prosciutto di Parma.
After up to 3 years, these hams are finally ready for the world.
The ham is prepared for its journey to consumers. Final cleaning ensures presentation quality.
A lifetime of expertise stands behind every approved ham.
Months of precise humidity control allow the ham to develop its signature sweet, nutty character without drying too quickly. Fridges. This traditional coating prevents cracking while allowing the ham to breathe and mature gracefully. Multiple sugna applications. After up to 3 years, these hams emerge as authentic Prosciutto di Parma, ready for final touches.
Only after rigorous checks does a ham earn the right to be called Prosciutto di Parma.
Modern, gentle handling systems respect the delicate nature of these long-aged hams. Robots ensure consistent handling, so each Prosciutto di Parma ham receives equal care. Final pressing ensures the classic Prosciutto di Parma form and texture. Every ham receives permanent markings that guarantee its authenticity worldwide. The rind's appearance is as important as the interior for premium presentation. Technology assists tradition to create the perfect final form. Assisted systems maintain tolerances suitable for premium hand-finished products. Consistent weight ensures quality standards are met for every Prosciutto di Parma ham. Precision robotics ensure each premium ham is handled gently before packaging. Every batch is tested, so customers receive only perfect Prosciutto di Parma. The packaging must protect the ham's quality during its journey to the consumer. This code allows traceability from the Italian factory to tables around the world. Technology confirms what tradition has created over many months. The ham must look as perfect as it tastes when it reaches the consumer.
Specialized packaging preserves the ham's quality and aroma.
Every package tells the story of authentic Italian tradition and quality. Strong cartons protect these precious hams during global distribution. These labels guarantee authenticity to customers everywhere. Efficient packing prepares these hams for their journey to gourmet shops and restaurants. Optimized packing maximizes shipping efficiency while protecting premium cargo. One pallet can represent months of careful craftsmanship. Robotic palletizers handle hundreds of cases per hour with high stability.
Only perfect hams leave this Italian factory, bearing the Prosciutto di Parma name.
This is the full journey of Prosciutto di Parma, from fresh leg to world-class cured ham. Precision and patience deliver exceptional results day after day. Each of these hams carries centuries of Italian tradition to tables around the world.
This is the result of time, tradition, and dedication. A true Prosciutto di Parma in your hands.